Kanti-ke sihlabele mgama nemicimbi yamapolisa, inkonzo yesipolisa yoMzantsi Afrika ibongoza urhulumente ukuba anyuse uhlahlo lwabiwo-mali ukuze ihlangabezane nezibophelelo zayo sokuqesha amagosa angama-10,000 rhoqo ngonyaka.
Khona manjalo umbutho wamaphoyisa aseNingizimu Afrika owaziwa ngo-SAPS ngamafuphi uthi ukuze ukwazi ukuhlangabezana nokuzibophezela kwabo ekuqasheni abafundi abaqeqeshwayo abayi-10,000 ngonyaka, i-SAPS inxusa uhulumeni ukuthi andise isabelomali sabo. ULieutenant General El Kouai oyibamba lephini likakhomishana kazwelonke wethule isabelo-mali sakwa-SAPS namhlanje eBoksburg.
Looking ahead to 24-25, we aim to expand this establishment to meet the target workforce of 187,878. And as of the 31st of January 2025, the actual workforce was standing at 183,078. And to achieve this goal, 5,500 new entry-level recruits will be enlisted in February 2025, ensuring the workforce remains at approximately 100% by the end of this financial year. I must indicate that the first group reported at our academies last week, and the last group will be reporting this week, and that will give us a total of 5,500 to make sure that we achieve our target by the end of this financial year.
Esho ukuthi SAPS ikwazile ukugcina abasebenzi bayo ngonyaka wezimali ka-2023 kuya ku-2024, uthe ekupheleni ka-2024 kuya ku-2025 banethemba lokuthi bazobe sebefezile ngokugcwele isithembiso sabo sokuqasha abafundi abaqeqeshwayo abayi-10,000. Kanti ezindabeni zeSoweto TV nginguNobuhle wakwaNdlovu ngibika ngiseBoksburg.